Well, hello there. I'm Kim Berry, editor of Food and Drink Business. Welcome to our weekly news roundup, brought to you by Ozcore, specialists in plastic packaging and warehouse solutions. In the news this week, it turns out if the US President Joe Biden spooks your name on a tweet, your stock market likes you a lot. Bubs Australia has secured a deal with the US to supply more than 1 million tins of infant formula to help ease the crippling shortage that that country is currently experiencing. The share market responded quite favourably with a 40% jump in Bubs' share price. But this is not a case of a small fish suddenly being in a big pond. Bubs has spent the last 2 years really building its foundation in the US to secure the country as a long-term export market. Its factory in Victoria, it was already FDA approved, and the company is incredibly excited, to be really showing its straps in the US, but also to be helping out those families in the US who are really struggling and feeling the stress of not being able to find infant formula. In other news, food tech startup Brew has announced that it has received more than $7 million just in its ongoing funding raise, this time with financial input from the US venture capital firm Digitalis. Digitalis was originally created by global food company Mars, but has since been spun off. Brew is one of a growing band of companies around the world that is using precision fermentation to create cow's milk without the cow. Youfoodz is another Australian outfit that is developing the product, but the big players at the moment are a company called Remilk coming out of Israel, which has recently announced that it's building a facility in Denmark to scale up its production. Meal kit company Youfoodz has announced that it's going to combine all of its operations, currently has 3 sites, into one in Barinba in Queensland. Youfoodz was bought last year by global meal kit company HelloFresh. And look, just for a special treat for you this week, I was recently treated to a behind the scenes tour of Arnott's Huntingwood facility out in Sydney's West. I just want to tell you that it was probably one of the best days of my life. So please head to the website to see the video and me in all my hairnet high-vis glory. It's quite something. For these stories and more, please head to the website foodanddrinkbusiness.com.au. Thanks to Ozcore. And with that, and the construction noise, I'm Kim Berry, over and out.